In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restart your Netflix membership and clear any outstanding payment issues. If your Netflix account has been paused or your membership did not renew because of a billing problem, the good news is that getting things back up and running is usually very simple. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the exact process in Chrome so you can review your account status, handle any payment issue, and restart your membership right away. To begin, open Chrome on your computer and go to netflix.com/youraccount. This page takes you directly to your Netflix account settings where you can manage your billing and membership details. If you are not already signed in, Netflix may ask you to log in before showing the account page. Once you're in, take a moment to look over the information on the screen carefully. The first thing you want to do is review your current payment status. This is important because it will tell you whether your membership is inactive due to a failed payment, an expired card, or another billing-related issue. On the account page, look for any alerts, notices, or status messages related to your membership. Reading this section closely helps you understand exactly what needs to be resolved before your service can continue. Next, click Manage Payment Info. This section allows you to address any outstanding balance connected to the account. If Netflix shows that a payment did not go through, you may need to confirm or update your payment method so the balance can be cleared. Follow the prompts shown on the screen and make sure the information you enter is accurate before continuing. It's a good idea to double check everything here, since even a small billing error can prevent the membership from restarting properly. Once the outstanding balance has been cleared and the payment status looks resolved, go back to the account area and click Restart Membership. This will instantly resume your Netflix service cycle, allowing you to start using the account again. After you select it, watch for a confirmation message so you know the membership has been successfully reactivated. If everything is completed correctly, your account should return to active status right away. At that point, you can head back to Netflix and continue streaming as normal. If the restart option does not appear, or if the payment issue remains after updating your billing details, refresh the page and review the account status again